Ka Jantia Student Union Sengkemi, mentaka sengindang kong hapo ka jingilam u Asistan General Secretary, u Nilki Armukim, padu Secretary Kanartiang Circle, u Successful Sumer, rengkat berkidkot, kilale ikandu i District School Education Officer, Jowai, nakamta banwat jingtip, haka bede berkabai school, jongki kanak school. Haka juga por, ka JSU kalakarpat, ika Sarkar Meghalaya, kamtam i menteri bedai pej ika pulih putih, imalak kemen rembui, ban snap lang ika jingut jingnam kikmi kikpa, jongki kanak school, kamtam na kibaduna kayo kakot, bahkan ombu jing ne penduk mensim yaki, bad bagi kanak school, kinlait berpep school no tang sitang por. Nadu bawan nan syop ke kelam COVID-19 ka baar, baru bakadon kane ka jing kangdam, kabalane kumba arbanai tam EA. Kumta kibabun kila syam sitom hadu kata-kata bansiu, ya kabai school, bad kaseng, ka kerman skam baka sarkar, kasngap ika jing karpat jok kiseng, kamtam bagito ki kana kibabai tengka daga sarkar, kibayo jing arab naga school kum ki deficit bad ki ad hoc school. Nakaliang District School Education Officer, ilong banakaliang ka Sarkar Meghalaya, kamdon kata gajing tip ban map siteng ya kabai school jongki school baper.
Tinggi naleng ka JSU Central Body, minta kesini hadin bangila yo ya gajing ujor, bat gajing ut jongki baik nong song jongka rilum jantia, ba ki school baper naduk private naduk kamtam di private, women school day kimdon ni kata ka school fees. Ba kamdon kata ka kajing map lani kata kajing pendana na kaliang ka school fees ti kumbang itip baka ni ka COVID-19 kibriu kim yo shu ban lek tray kani lek bela te ka shemjing bahaya ki ban siu ya kani ka school fees ka hadin kata ni lek kendo ya i District School Education Officer pat kila pensya yang iba kamdon ka order na ka Government of Meghalaya ban map ya ka school fees jong ki kena ti ngina kaliang ka JSU ngila kerpat jur ya i Minister of Education ba in perkat len kantam ya tu ki school ibadon kino hikai deficit ad hoc iba yo ya ka grant ban siu ya ka ban yo ya ka grant ban siu ya ka tulok jong ki no hikai lengi phai shaki private school fully private school kasem jing yaki ban map namar ba kidagi ki private kim yo jing support daga government ti nagalian jongi ngikirpat jur ya ga government bakan phai khmat shaki ki school ki badon kino hikai ad hoc but deficit ban map ya ga high school jong kena at least 10% kenang ba kibriu ila ban siu ya kanika school fees jongki tengi snukia chikadai bat ni ngej scam ba ka government hadin ba kilo i kanika jingkerpat jongi bakin saperkhat bat map hamtam ya kibriu kiba shemlanot kiba pang basitam kum kanika por bat kibam pangro kim yo shu ban lektre te tang kan hi ka message ka syai minister bodon jangi imal la komen rembui ba snu bah ban map yaki school ki badon yaki ni ki scheme na government